Hi, this video is all about how to restore missing command bar. Where my command bar? By pressing the Control 9. So now we can turn on the command bar again. Wait. If it doesn't work, we have another solution. First, let's use the command CUI enter, and we will see the customize user interface. On customize, and we click on workspace and we go to drafting and annotation default. Now we go to palette, click, and we scroll to command line, and we will see the property line. Make sure that we click on yes and apply it. Okay. So now we can turn on the command line again. And done. Does it work for you? Please follow for more video for civil engineering.